Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Bullseye Options. Today is June 8th, 2020. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. I'm going to show you a couple of trades that I was able to close out today for some pretty handsome profits. But more important than the trades, it's really the pattern that everybody should be aware of. And I'm going to show you that as well. So the first trade that I closed out today was a trade in BP, which is the old British Petroleum. Now they call it BP. And I got into this trade on the 13th of April. So you're going to see that when I got in this trade back here, the stock was basically trading sideways and looked like it was building a nice base. And it went very, very sloppy and choppy for about 2 months. And that's why you want to give yourself a lot of time on the clock when trading options. So this expiration was all the way out till November. But ultimately, what I saw in this trade was that the pattern was a sloppy basing pattern. And I said, wow, this is going to really make a solid move up toward the $30 area in due time. And what you'll see here is the stock started to break out right around June 1st, and it started to move up. And then once it got above that 26 level, it actually really soared and roared and got above $28. So I was able to capture a 22.5% gain on this stock. And again, it wasn't an easy trade, but I had a lot of time on the clock, and it was a pretty nice pattern. So you want to look for these range-bound consolidation patterns and then look for them to break through those highs, and that's when they'll pay you off. But as long as they're not making new lows, these are good, solid basing patterns. And if you just draw on a line here, you'll see that basically this is just going sideways in a range, and it's building a base to ultimately go higher. And that's exactly what we got out of that trade in BP. Now here's the other one that I just closed out a few moments ago, which was Oracle. And you'll see a very similar pattern in Oracle. In fact, this has been really choppy and sloppy for a while. I got into this one on May 29th. So if you just take a look at the date there, we'll just push it back here. You'll see that the stock was basically very, very range bound at the end of the month and building that nice base. And then today you got a really nice robust pop. This stock should go a lot higher, and I don't mean a whole lot higher, but probably to 57 or 58 bucks. So what I will do on this name is look for another pullback, and if we get that and it stays in this range, I'll be re-entering this trade. But I was able to capture 25% gain on this one in short order. And on Friday, I did the same thing with Tyson Foods, and what you'll see here, same choppy, range-bound trade, and then boom, you got a blast off in this one. And this one, I believe it or not, I was able to capture a much bigger gain with about 52%. And, if you do the math there, that's over 100% in just 3 trades right there. So, again, these profits really add up in the options market. So, again, learn these patterns, watch these patterns, really know how to distinguish between a bullish and a bearish pattern. Watch these consolidations as they form, and they can really make you some serious money, especially when you use options. So, again, that's my take there today. And if you want to come over and check it out, check out Bullseye Trading. You can get all of my trade setups here, and here's my track record going forward. And it's been a really amazing year, and we should have a lot more going forward. So again, check it out, see if you like it. Maybe it's for you, maybe it's not, but either way, it's been a great start to the week. Have a great trading day, everybody, and we'll see you on the chart.